I want to say something that most hotel owners are afraid to admit. Luxury hospitality is quietly breaking behind the scenes. Not because hotels don't care about service, and not because staff are lazy. The real problem is that modern hospitality operations were never designed for the speed modern guests expect. Today's luxury guest compares your service to Apple, to Uber, to Amazon. They expect immediate responses, instant personalization, zero friction. But most hotels are still operating with systems built around human bottlenecks. Front desk queues, phone transfers, manual approvals, repetitive guest requests, and eventually the pressure hits your staff. Your best employees become exhausted, handling tasks that should have been automated years ago. That's when I realized something important. Most hotels are not suffering from a staffing problem. They're suffering from an operational intelligence problem. And that realization changed everything. When most hotel owners see operational stress, their instinct is simple. Hire more people, more receptionists, more coordinators, more administrators. But that approach creates a dangerous cycle because adding more humans to broken systems scales inefficiency. And the worst part is that luxury guests can feel it immediately. They feel delays, they feel confusion, they feel inconsistency. A luxury experience is not just beautiful furniture and expensive architecture. Luxury is operational smoothness, it's anticipation, it's timing. The moment a guest has to repeat themselves 3 times for a simple request, the illusion of luxury starts collapsing. And meanwhile, your employees are drowning in repetitive tasks all day long. The same conversations, over and over. It's destroying energy. So I stopped asking, how do we hire more people? And started asking, how do we remove operational friction completely? That's when I built what I call a digital concierge system. Now let me be clear, this is not a chatbot. Most chatbots are terrible. This system operates differently. It behaves like an intelligent operational layer sitting inside the hotel itself. The entire framework runs on a structure I call TPO: trigger, process, output. A guest sends a request. That becomes the trigger. The AI processes operational context, room availability, housekeeping schedules, guest preferences, maintenance status, and internal hotel rules. Then it outputs the action instantly, sometimes confirming, sometimes assigning, but always with speed, no bottlenecks. Now this is where things become incredibly powerful. Imagine a guest arriving from Spain late at night. They message the hotel asking for a 2 p.m. checkout extension. Normally, this creates multiple operational steps: waiting, phone calls, manual updates. But with intelligent automation, the entire process happens in seconds. The AI understands the language automatically. It checks occupancy, reviews schedules, confirms feasibility, updates the system, notifies the correct department, responds naturally, immediate, and responds naturally to the guest immediately. No waiting, no transfers, no stress. And here's the important part most people miss. The guest never cares about the technology. They care about the feeling of being understood instantly. That is what modern luxury actually is. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it replaces hospitality workers. That's the wrong way to think about this entirely. AI should never replace human hospitality. It should protect human hospitality, because your best employees should not spend their day repeating operational tasks. They should spend their time creating emotional experiences, welcoming guests, building relationships, handling VIP personalization. creating memorable moments. That belongs to people. Machines handle repetition better than humans ever will. But emotional intelligence, warmth, human connection, that belongs to people. The real opportunity is not removing staff. It's allowing staff to operate at a higher level. Let's talk about efficiency. One property reduced repetitive administrative workload by nearly 40%. Not because employees were removed, but because operational friction disappeared. Response times became faster. Staff stress decreased significantly. Guest satisfaction improved. Operational consistency improved. And consistency is everything in luxury hospitality. Because luxury is not judged by isolated moments. It's judged by continuity. One delayed interaction can damage the perception of an entire stay. Every interaction matters. One property reduced repetitive administrative workload by nearly 40%. Not because employees were removed, but because operational friction disappeared. Response times became faster. Staff stress decreased significantly. Consistency improved. Imagine entering a suite already adjusted to your lighting preferences. Your dining suggestions already personalized. Your transportation already coordinated. Your entire experience intelligently prepared before you even ask. That's where hospitality is going. It's a transformation. Some hotels will continue operating with exhaustion, delays, and reactive systems. Others will evolve into intelligent hospitality ecosystems. If you want the exact framework behind this digital concierge model, including the logic and blueprint, download the guide. Download the Luxury Hotel AI Reset Guide below and start building a hotel designed for the future. I'm HIRO, and I'll see you in the next session. This is the evolution of service. Take the first step today. Join us in redefining luxury in the age of intelligence. The framework is ready for you. Let's build something exceptional together. See you on the inside. Thank you for your time and your dedication to hospitality excellence. This is the future. Let's build it together. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Join us in this transformation. See you on the inside. Let's redefine hospitality excellence. Thank you.